Okay, ayan. Oh, not yet. What you doing, Mommy? Mommy, what you doing?
Another hugas.
Cold?
Yeah, okay lang kasi hugasan mo pa yan.
Buti pala buntang. Not super duper hot. Just like yum. Guys, hello. Now,
Oh, hugasan mo pa yung bigas. Oh, may white pa?
I see more light.
Sige. Hugasan mo pa.
Check mo armor po whites.
I think good enough na yan.
No, I found more whites.
Hindi matatanggalin yan. O, sige na, hugas na. Tanggal mo na ulit yung
Tingnan ko today. Looking good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
O, baka mamaya meron pang natirang water. Tingnan mo.
Oh, mapa.
Tapos careful ka magtanggal ng tubig.
Now hot?
Now?
Hot?
Yes po.
Put the hammer. Uy, mainit.
Hintayin mo lang yung
Do you think this good enough? This super duper.
Flatten
Oy!
natin. Mainit, anak. Flatten natin yung...
This right over here.
That's right. Bear the hat. Okay? Hindi naman yan super duper hot.
Huh? It's good.
A little bit kaunti pa.
A lot of
Hot? Anak, hot.
this is cold.
Hot nga.
This is hot? No.
Yeah.
Okay lang yan.
Mga 1 second. 1, 2, okay. 2 seconds.
This is still hot.
Okay, good. Okay na.
Mainit!
Cover mo na. Okay na yan. Yan na yung tubig niya. Di ba? Okay. Go. At tapos, hindi naman yan. Next is, punas mo siya.
Wow! Wow!
Okay.
Buntang kita!